Hello, students of class 6 English medium. Today I am discussing the concluding portion of the chapter 6. Today my topic is the future of Antarctica. The future of Antarctica. Weather and climate and other aspects of the natural environment in Antarctica help in maintaining the balance in the weather and climate worldwide. Actually, it tries to make a balance of the weather and climate both. Okay. So the future of Antarctica amounts to the future of the Earth. So the future of Antarctica is totally depends amounts to the future of the Earth. But global warming, depletion of the ozone layer, and air pollution hold the pollution free Antarctic environment. First thing is global warming. Second thing is depletion of the ozone layer. And third thing is air pollution. Hold the pollution free Antarctic environment. There are three things: global warming, depletion of the ozone layer, and air pollution. Hold the pollution. They actually the creator of the pollution. They are the creator of the pollution in free Antarctic environment, and the clear Antarctic sky and the fresh Antarctic air at stake. At stake means in danger. It is a phrase. So free Antarctic environment, the clear Antarctic sky and the fresh Antarctic air at stake. Actually, due to the pollution, there are three causes of the pollution. First thing is global warming, depletion of the ozone layer, and air pollution. It creates a massive pollution. So as a result, the clear Antarctic sky and the fresh Antarctic air is at stake. Actually, it is the condition of this free Antarctic sky and clear Antarctic sky and the fresh Antarctic air is impossible. And the reason is this: the ice cap in Antarctica is melting every day due to the rise in temperature. This is very important. Day by day, the ice of in Antarctica is melting. The only reason is due to the increase in temperature. And this reduces the geographical expanse of Antarctica, and it also reduces the geographical expanse of Antarctica. Krills, seals, and penguins are dying. They are actually the creature in Antarctica, so they are actually dying. Actually, the environment is totally is at stake. So they are dying because they do not cope up with the present condition, present environment, cope up with the present environment. That is why they easily submit to the death. So that is why krills, seals, penguins are dying, thereby jeopardizing the natural balance of the Antarctic environment. And natural balance of the Antarctic balance is jeopardizing and it also creates a great effect on the Antarctic environment. Okay, and this is actually the future of Antarctica. you have to keep in mind that this is very important. Then next, Indian expedition to Antarctica. The first team of Indian explorers reached Antarctica on 9th January 1982. They established the first Indian research center in Antarctica, which was named Dakshin Gangotri. Dakshin Gangotri. This is very important. Another research station, Moitri, was established 70 kilometers of the Dakshin Gangotri on 26 March 1988. So another name of the another research center was established 70 kilometers of the Dakshin Gangotri, and it was established on 26 March 1988, and the name of the another research station is Moitri by the 8th team of explorers from India. Okay, so this portion is important for short question. Then next page, you should know the sea level will rise substantially if the thick layer of Antarctic ice melts down. Actually, the consequence of the melting of ice in Antarctica. So the sea level will rise substantially if the thick layer of Antarctic ice melts down. If the Antarctic ice melts down, the sea level will automatically increase, will rise, and it creates a great effect. It will create a great effect. Okay. So that's all. Thank you.